In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove the passcode from your iPhone. Having a passcode on your phone is important for security, but there may be times when you need to remove it, such as if you want to give your phone to someone else without it and don't want them to have to enter a passcode every time they use it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to unlock and access these settings. After that, scroll down again, and you'll see an option called Turn Off Passcode. Simply tap on it. Now it might ask you for your Apple ID password. Just type it in and tap Turn Off. And then you have to enter the passcode of your iPhone again to confirm it. Now it will take a couple of seconds to do its thing. Now the passcode is removed from the iPhone. It's important to note that removing the passcode means anyone can access your phone without permission. Only do this if you fully trust the person you are giving your phone to. And remember, it's always a good idea to back up your important data before making any changes like this. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.